because the leadership of the party over there remains optimistic about resolving all outstanding issues in the Asante Mampong constituency before the 2024 general elections. Now, parliamentary primaries in the Mampong constituency have been suspended due to an injunction obtained by 35 disgruntled party members. Citi News' Ashanti regional correspondent Hafiz Tijani again.
Since February 2022, the MPP in the Mampong constituency has been entangled in a legal dispute triggered by some dissatisfied party members contesting the validity of polling station elections. After a year-long court battle, the High Court in Mampong dismissed the case, enabling the party to conduct elections for electoral area coordinators and constituency executives. However, the plaintiffs, dissatisfied with the ruling, obtained a separate injunction aimed at preventing polling station executives from participating in the MPP's presidential primaries last year. Due to procedural errors, the polling station executives were able to participate in the election. Led by Kofi Sapon, the plaintiffs secured a fresh injunction on the January 27 parliamentary primaries in the Asante Mampong constituency following an appeal on the dismissed case. The Ashanti Regional Secretary of the MPP, Kwame Adom Apia, assures that the situation in the Mampong constituency hasn't derailed the party's preparations.
Some people want to vindicate their rights or otherwise in the courtroom. We cannot force them. Let the courts decide, and at the end of the day, after the courts has decided, we move forward. The good thing is that between now and when the EC will call for filing of nominations is a long period.
In constituencies where sitting members of parliament run unopposed, the party aims to bolster its votes. In the Ejiso constituency, Deputy Minister of Finance John Ampontuakuma emerges as the first sitting MP to run unopposed. His efforts in advocating for the area's development are laudable by constituents, with many, including chiefs, attending an acclamation ceremony.
Ejiso is very important in making sure we get the numbers, and we are not just going to work in Ejiso. The entire Ashanti region is going to be on our shoulders, and we are going to make sure we work hard to break the 8.
Former parliamentarian for Mention North constituency, Collins Osua-Mankwa, reiterates his loyalty to the MPP despite publicly supporting Alan Tremantin during the party's presidential primaries.
I'm very confident in that, even if you look at our performances in terms of votes, I was able to garner almost 70% of popular votes during the 2016 general elections. And as we speak, it has dropped.
The MPP in the Ashanti region says that necessary arrangements have been made ahead of Saturday's primaries.
Political activities are shaping up ahead of Saturday's primaries in constituencies where the elections will be held. Hafiz Tijani, Citi News, Ejiso, Ashanti region.
You're still watching the Citi Newsroom with me, Vivian Kai. Look, when we come back, NPP confirms readiness for primaries on Saturday despite court injunctions. To stay with us, we'll be right back with that story and many others.